Dear learners, you are most welcome. This is Teacher Sam teaching you mathematics. In our previous lessons, we have been looking at division of numbers. We have been looking at division of what? Numbers. Unlike this lesson, we are going to have a look at what we call finding missing numbers in a given diagram. Finding missing numbers in a given diagram. For example, we have example 1. This is the diagram that we are given. This is the diagram that we are given. So we need to study the diagram. We need to look at the diagram critically. You can see here you are given 11. You are given figure 11 here. You are given 3 here. You are given 2. You are given 9. You are given 6. You are given 4. But here you are given a letter, meaning that you have to find out what is there. And here you are given a letter, still you need to find out what is there. And here you are given also a letter. So you need to find out what is there. Now, if you look at this one here, this box, these 3 boxes, this one, and that one. Here there is nothing to find out because all these ones are complete. There is nothing to find out. So we need to find out here. Here, we put 2. What does that mean? 2, when you add 2 plus 9, you end up getting 11. 2 plus 9, the answer is 11. 2 plus 9, the answer is what? 11. The middle number is the answer. The middle number is the what? The answer. So when you add 2 plus 9, you get 11. What about here? K plus 3 should also give you 11. K plus 3 should also give you 11. So what is here? What is K? So how will we get K? To get K, we shall get 11 and we take away 3 so that we find out what is there. 11 take away 3 so that we find out what is there. So we say K equals 11 take away 3. Now we are having 11 take away 3. 11, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are taking away 3. 1, 2, 3. What are we remaining with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 11 take away 3. Our K is 8. So the answer here is 8. This one is what? 8. K is 8. So how do we get K? We get K by subtracting 3 from 11. Once you add 3 to 8, you end up getting 11. So our missing number here is 8. Okay, so we are through with that one. We are now going here. We need to find out y. How do we get y? Whereas once you add what is here plus that, you end up getting 11. I said the middle one, the number which is here, the middle number here is always the answer. It is the what? The answer. So when you add 6 plus y, you will end up getting 11. So what is here? What is y? What do you add to 6 to get 11? So to get that, we will say y equals, so that is 4, okay? Y equals 11 take away 6. So 11 take away 6, we shall end up getting 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are now taking away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are remaining with 5. So the value of y is 5. So y, what is here is 5. Here we have 5. Because 5 plus 4, 6, you end up getting 11. When you add 5 plus the 6, we shall end up getting 11. We have to find out what is here. B plus 4. It gives us 11. Now, what do you add to 4 to get 11? What is B? What do you add to 4 to get 11? So we shall say B equals 11 take away 4. So we are subtracting 4 from 11 so that we get what is here. So 11 take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we are taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our B is 7. So B equals 7. So here we have 7. We have 7 here. The value of B is what? Is 7. So B equals 7. The value of B is what? 7. So once you add 7 plus 4, the end result is 11. The answer is what? 11. 7 plus 4, you get 11. I think that is it. That is it. That is our example 1. Let's have example 2. Let's have example 2. In our second example, this one is now in this, they have brought a box in square form, but now they can get you circles, the diagram in circular form. You can get your diagram in circular form. The diagram in circular form, in form of a circle. You can get your diagram in circular form. They can give you a diagram in circular form. That is in the form of a circle. Here we have 24. Here we have 17. And here we have M. Here we have 16, and here we have P. Here we have D, and here we have 9. We have 12 here, and here we have K. We have 15, and here we have B. So this time our diagram is in circular form. It is in form of a circle. Remember what I told you here, that the middle number is always the sum. It is always the what? The sum, or the answer. When you add this plus that, you get that one. The middle number is always the sum, or the total, or still better, you may call it the answer. So now we have to find out what is here. When you add P plus 16, you will end up getting 24. So what do you add to P to get? What do you add to 16 to get 24? That's what we are looking for here. So here we shall say, we shall get our value of P by subtracting. So it is 24 subtract 16. 24 take away 16. So we may use the vertical method. You still remember what we covered in the previous topics. We are subtracting numbers, which I believe everybody understood. So now we are having 24 take away 16. So this is 4 take away 6. 4 take away 6 is inconvenient, so we need to borrow. We need to borrow one from here. Here we have 1, we shall remain with 1, and the one that we have borrowed, this one will become 14. So now we are having 14 take away 6. 14 take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We are taking away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 8. 1 take away 1, the answer is 0. So our answer is 8. So the value of P is 8. 8 plus 16, you end up getting 24. Once you add 8 plus 16, the answer is 24. So can we please find out what is here? The value of M? We shall get M by still subtracting 17 from 24. Because once you add M plus 17, you end up getting 24. So how do you get M? It is 24, take away 17. So M equals 24, take away 17. Use the vertical method. We looked at subtraction in our previous lessons. So this is one mistake. So I expect everybody to know how to subtract. I expect everybody to know how to subtract. So it is 4 minus 7, it is inconvenient. We shall borrow 1 from 2 and remain with 1. So this is 14. This one is going to become 14. We have borrowed 1 10 and we are taking it. We are taking it under ones. So when we add the 10 that we have borrowed to the 4, which was there, it becomes 14. It becomes what? 14. So it's 14, take away 7. You can draw our sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we are taking away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What we remain with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have 7. 1 take away 1, remain with nothing. Nothing is the same as 0. Nothing is the same as 0. So the value of M is 7. So once you add, here we have 7. Here we have 8. So once you add 7, 7 plus 17, you will end up getting 24. And now we have here D. What is the value of D? What do you have to add to 9 to get what? 24. What do you add to 9 to get 24? What do we do? We shall say 24, take away 9. And what we get is the value of D. So we have 24, D equals 24, take away 9. 24 take away 9. So go back to our vertical method. This is 24. Don't forget to indicate the place values. Minus 9. So we cannot subtract 9 from 4, so we shall borrow. We shall go to our neighbor and borrow. We borrow 1 and we remain with 1. So the one that we have borrowed is a 10. It is under 10s. So we have 4 plus the 10 that we have borrowed. It becomes 14. So it's 14 minus 9. You will end up getting, you can use that mental worker there. You will end up getting 5. You can get 5. Then here 1 minus nothing, still you get 1. So our answer here is 15. Once you add 15 plus 9, it will take you to that total. 15 plus 9, you get 24. You get 24. Let's look at the value of G. The value of G. The value of G. Let's try to use this space here. We are now getting the value of G. So G plus 15, you will end up getting 24. What do you add 15 to get 24? That's the value of G. What you add to 15 to get 24, that's the value of D. So what do? We shall still do the same. We shall do the same, subtracting. So D equals 24, take away 15, which is still better. 24, can use the vertical method. 24, take away 15. 4 take away 15, we cannot subtract 5 from 4, because 5 is a bigger number. Therefore, what we do, we shall go to our neighbor here and borrow 1. So that the neighbor remains with 1. So here we shall remain with 1. And because we have borrowed 110, what we are borrowing is under 10s. So we are borrowing 110, and we are taking it to 1s. We have 4 here. When you add the 10 that you have borrowed, this 4 will become 14. And this is 14, take away 5. If you use the mental worker there, you will remain with 9. 1 minus nothing, the answer is 0. So 0 is nothing. 0 is what? Nothing. And our B is 9. Let's look at K. Lastly, we are looking at what? K. How do we get the value of K? K equals, what do you add 12 to get 24? What do you add 12 to get 24? That's the value of K. So it's 24, take away 12. And K equals, this is our 24. 1s, 10s, we shall take away 12. And this is going to be, here 4 take away 2, you get 2. 2 take away 1, you get 1. So our K is 12. So the value of K is 12. So G here is 12, G is 9, and K is 12. Put your 12 there. So that is it. We have now completed our diagram. We have completed our what? Our diagram. But now this is how it is done. The middle number is always the sum, the total. So once you add this plus that, it gives you that total. Once you add this plus that, you will get the same total. This plus that, still you will get the same total. But the procedure is a subtraction. You keep on subtracting until you get the what? The answer. So the procedure is subtracting. That's the way of doing it. You keep on subtracting until you get the answer. So with these two diagrams, I hope you have grasped the idea. We have example 1 and this one is example 2. This is our second example 2. So I think you have grasped the concept. You can use the same method to find out the answer. Wait for an activity. Thank you.